Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from limited PayPal account. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from limited PayPal account, the first thing to do is which is your first step, is to check the type of limitation. So log into your PayPal account, then at the top of the screen, look for a warning message like your account has limitation. Then click resolve or go to the resolution center. Then see what options PayPal wants you to take, like uploading your ID, confirming address, and all of that. And once that is confirmed, then complete the required steps. PayPal will ask for things like photo ID, passport, driver license, and also a proof of address, bank statement, and utility bill, invoice or proof of goods and services if it's like a business account. Then also your bank card verification. Then follow the instruction and upload what they request. Then after that, on step 3, which is to wait for review. After uploading, PayPal will review your document. This usually takes between 1 to 3 business days, sometimes faster. It depends on the network, and you will get an email notification once they decide. Then after that, you have to move to step 4, which is to initiate the transfer. So once unlocked, you can send money again. So if the limitation is lifted, go to the send and request, then enter the recipient email, amount, and send money as usual. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.